So bullet journaling, again, lucky us, we have these very great videos on YouTube that explains the do's and the don'ts about bullet journaling. So what bullet journaling is, it's sort of a capturing mechanism about where you capture everyday life and then you allocate it into certain time slots. So I get all this input, all this noise, I write them down and then I say, you don't, you tomorrow, you next week, you next month. And that's pretty much it in short. So when you are start tackling down the next day, you scratch away these things and the ones that you haven't got to, you move them down the lane. So either to next week or to next month as well. And that mechanism is very well explained in these YouTube videos. So I do highly recommend watching those instead of seeing this weird old face, so to say. Any recap conclusions? Yeah, keep it simple. So start with the basic and basically keep it to the basics because every minute spent with your journal is not a minute spent with actually doing something. Of course, it's vital and paramount to spend time with self-reflection and journaling. Also, neglecting the journaling is like it is the killer, and I will keep saying this out loud as long as I need to make myself believe. Again, do as I say, don't do as I do. So I need to jumpstart this journaling as well. It is too fluctuating. So I will lock this one in. I think I will make myself, I will find something very painful if I don't start journaling. It's an important aspect of life. I also notice it that when I don't journal, I tend to be less perceptive for my environment. I'm more aware of the beauty of life when I journal. Let me rephrase it like that. So remember, journals are about adaptability. It's a tool. Don't see it as an end goal. So if you start journaling, bullet journaling is a very powerful concept. Again, it is only level 1. Level 1, level 2. So you know you should journal, but still there for some reason you don't do it. And why don't you do the things that you should be doing? Well, that is what the other time chapters are about. I will see you there.